Hello there. Thank you for taking a moment to watch this video. And on this specific training, we're going to continue our Salesforce integration training. Hopefully you've been watching all of the other videos because they do build on each other. Now on this specific training, I want to continue talking about these custom fields that come as part of the PhoneBurner package, the total number of attempted calls, the last attempt date, and the last disposition fields. Now, if you watched the previous video, then you know that when you install the PhoneBurner Manage package, we give you these three fields on both the leads and contacts objects. And these fields will automatically be updated or set based off of the call. And these fields will automatically be updated or set as you're making calls using PhoneBurner. But how does that happen? Well, as part of the installed package for PhoneBurner, if we jump over to Setup, we're going to go over to Flows. What you'll notice is when you install the PhoneBurner package, there is a new flow in your account called Set PhoneBurner Call Values. Now, there's not much you can do with this flow because it is part of a Manage package. So if we click on Edit Details, what you'll notice is that all you can really do is change the name and description. You can't really do anything else with this flow. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. You can, however, deactivate this flow if for whatever reason it is creating a conflict within your org. And that does happen from time to time. But what exactly does this flow do? Let me pull up a different org. I'm going to bring this org over. And I have a sample version of this flow here, so I can give you just kind of a basic rundown of what is happening in our flow. So if you need to rebuild it, you can work with your Salesforce administrator to deactivate the PhoneBurner flow and add this to your own set of flows or create your own version of this flow. So the flow is triggered by the task object. Remember, every time you make a call using PhoneBurner, a new activity is going to be logged on that record indicating the outcome of that call. So we want to trigger the flow based off of a new activity being created. Now, once that activity is created, we need to get and update either the lead or the contact. So we have a little decision tree here to determine whether or not the record that was called was a lead or a contact. If it was a lead, we go down the lead path where we get the specific lead that was called. And then finally, we go ahead and we update the specific lead or again, contact. We're going to update those specific fields that are created as part of the PhoneBurner installed package. We're going to run a formula to set the lead attempts value, last attempt date, and the last disposition. Those are just pulled directly from the task record itself. So anyway, that's a quick little overview of the flow that you get as part of the PhoneBurner installed package. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and happy dialing.